Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code installed and the live server extension added so you can view changes live. Open your project folder and add index, HTML plus styles, CSS, then link the stylus sheet inside the HTML head with a proper href so the browser loads it. Once done, save both files and use VS Code's Explorer to right-click index HTML and choose Open with Live Server. This immediately establishes the editing and preview connection, so you can iterate quickly. Now focus on the middle workflow, edit styles. CSS using Emmet abbreviations and formatting tools to write rules faster and enable autosave to reduce friction. Make a few changes to a selector and observe the live server preview. If a rule doesn't apply, open DevTools to inspect computed styles and check specificity or cascade issues. Once you confirm selectors, toggle live server's auto-reload or manually refresh. These steps let you iterate styles, debug conflicts, and refine layout efficiently. Finish by validating and exporting your working CSS. Run a quick lint or use VS Code's CSS IntelliSense to catch syntax mistakes, then test across viewports. Make sure your link paths are relative and that live server serves the latest file. If styles aren't appearing, clear the browser cache, check the network tab for 404, and confirm the stylus sheet is linked in the correct HTML file. A common fix: correct a typo in the file name or selector. Once fixed, save and refresh to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.